Hi, this is Lisa from LK295. Welcome to my channel. Ready for today's video? What I'm going to share with you today? Okay, so if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Lisa. So I have over 300 YouTube videos. They are ready to view. Make sure you click the link below and subscribe Local King's YouTube channel. I do offer special discount code for all YouTube viewers when it is available. So today I am going to use this attach of the magic background stamp. So I already used this background stamp create few videos. Make sure you visit Local King online video library, click the card you like, and it will bring you to the YouTube channel. So in my channel, I often use the stamp but a different kind of technique to show you what you can do with Local King's rubber stamps. So I already created a video to show you how to create the finish like this, and then also I have a video to show you how to stamping on the glossy paper, kind of reverse image. But today I am actually going to share with you how to create this awesome card. It's pretty simple and easy, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. If you have the stamp, use the stamp. If you don't have a stamp, you can just find something similar and try to use the same technique and create your own. Okay, so today's video, I am actually use the hot foil. Hot foil, be honest with you, I am the newbie just like you. I only know stamp the image and scan the image and print the image, and I just put this beautiful foil on top, and then voila, that's what it looks like. If you like to get more information about how to do the hot foiling, I will provide the Nancy Stamps in website below, and then she's the queen of the hot foil. So if you want to get more information about how to do the hot foil, just make sure you click the link below and visit Nancy Stamp. So I actually try few of the image with the hot foil. So this is a living forest, is my next project, and this is the love of the life, and also working on the other project to show you what else you can do with the Local King's rubber stamps. So today's video is I just used, I don't know what's the name of this foil, but look this, isn't that pretty? So this is actually what you do is you just scan your image and you stamp your image and you scan it, and then with a laser printer, and you just put the foil on top, run through the mint, like a hot foil machine, or sometimes the laminator will also work. So make sure you check Nancy Stamp's website, and then she will show you how to do the hot foil. So it's just some kind of technique. If you don't have a hot foil machine, you can just try to use the heat embossing. It will create something similar. But since I have the machine and I would like to, I know a lot of you guys are pretty into the hot foil, and personally I really like it. And so I think of today's video, I probably am going to just show you how to create this project by using hot foil. So this blue one is just blue hot foil, and this one have a little star. So basically, once when you put your foil on top of this black stamp image, and then when you peel it off, you have the positive and the negative. And this stamp itself is a reverse image. So I get the both negative and like a positive and negative. Okay, so this is actually after you run through the foil machine and you peel off, this is what you get. Okay, so and then material, this is pretty simple. I'm going to, this is kind of like a seeing through card. I want to show you because I want to share with you how we can use this negative part to be part of our card. So if you don't have a hot foil, you can use the same technique to create maybe like a shaker card, something else. Okay, so Okay, so this is a A2 size card. So I have this A2 size acetate here. I want to do the see-through card because I want to use both positive and the negative, right? And then, so I already trimming it. This is my positive, this is my negative. So this is a 3.75 by 5 inches. And then the black layering is 4 inches by 5.25 inches. Okay, so I'm going to just glue this piece. I'm going to just layering first. Okay, so let's do this layering. If you don't have a hot foil machine, what you can do is just use the embossing silver embossing powder, and it looks that's a really pretty too. Just a silver, gold, copper. Okay, and then we are going to. I want to kind of create like the circle ornament, right? So I have 3 die cut, circle die cut, and then I am going to just place my circle on top of this snowflake. Okay, so just something like this. Okay, and I'm going to run to the machine. I'm going to die cut it, and just be very careful. If I use just regular cardstock, nothing fancy. So if you use a thicker cardstock, just be a little bit careful. You don't want to jam your machine. Maybe you just have to die cut 2 times separately. Okay, so I'm going to just run to the machine, die cut it, and I think my paper is very thin, and I shouldn't have any problem. So probably just run through your machine few times. Make sure you have a clean cut before you pop your circle. So that's my circle here, and then don't put those circle in the garbage. We are going to use that too. And then I am going to just take a look. That's awesome. And then it's pretty easy. So these usually people put these garbage, but I use it because I think the pattern is actually very nice. So what I can do is I can show you. This one is kind of like a silver with a lot of sparkle star, right? I think that's a really Christmas looking. And then I also did the one with the blue color. The hot foil is awesome. It's so addictive. It's very it's so pretty, but be careful. They kind of, it can be pricey, and then it actually took me a while to get what I want. So try to practice a little bit, but make sure you watch it. Nancy, I will put her website, and then watch her video. She has a lot of information. Okay, and then I just you can see it's very thin layer, right? So I don't need a lot of tape. I just put a little bit double side tape and make sure the right side, and then kind of just eyeball that, put the place you want. Okay, and that's it. So basically you just need a little bit tape to holding the very thin, oops, something dropped. Looking for my knife. A very thin, the what's that called? Soften. Oop. Oh. So just trimming the extra. Okay, just like this. Voila! So, and then I'm going to just mount it on my see-through paper, see how pretty it is. But wait, there is more. You can see I kind of created something, they kind of look like a button, right? So how did I do that? Okay, so if you take a look at my first sample card, you can see here is kind of like a button, right? So what I do is remember in the beginning of this video, I cut these 3 circle. So I have some double side tape, and then you just cut the circle, and then just glue that. and then you can kind of create something like a button, right? So let's do this. I have a tree. I think I probably just use the 2 small one, or if you find out this one is kind of too big, what you can do is you can just cut a little bit smaller. You can just put your smaller die cut in the cut again. There you go, and I cut it. Actually have a ring, and I have a this part too. And then you can put any place you like. So I think that's a good place, and here's a good place. Like this ring, you can also use too. But I just found out this ring kind of like a in the back is kind of too empty. So what you're going to do is if you have some other color, you can use the other color and then to decorate your final piece too. So I think I'm going to just save this one. Just use a 2 small circle. Okay, I'm going to do just one here, maybe one here. And then I have this ribbon here. I'm going to use my glue dot to glue that ribbon. If you have some kind of bread, anything you like, some rhinestone, you want to put it to decorate it, you can do that too. I just thinking it's so pretty, isn't it? So this is just the hot foil. Okay, so I still have a few circles that I am going to play for the next time. You can do the shaker card, you can do any kind of card you like, and then I think this is just something fast and easy by just using the background stamp, and I think this is so pretty already, right? So next time if you have this negative from your hot foil after you peel off, you can definitely use it. So you get a positive and negative. And look, take a look. So this is created by the same stamp, but the different kind of technique, it come out something totally different. So this video probably is only like 10 minutes, but it took me a while to come out with this idea. So if you do like this video, make sure give me a thumb up, leave me a comment, let me know. And I do appreciate a lot of you guys spending the time, wrote a comment, and let me know what do you think about this video. And I really appreciate you guys spending time to leave the review for Local King's product. So Local King Rubber Stamp is a small company. I don't really do a lot of advertising, and you can see that since 2020, I don't even add the advertising like commercial to Local King's YouTube video. So if you can just give me a thumb up, share this awesome channel with your friend, that will be great. So I really appreciate it. I enjoy to read all your comments. It does mean a lot to me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like today's video. See you next time. Bye.